Hello, my crafty friend. We have something really fun planned for today with our resin project, and stay till the end because we're going to add a little special decoration to this. So buckle your seatbelts, let's get crafting. This project is going to be a seashell trinket box. I'm really excited about this one because this is a new mold, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it turns out. And since it is a new mold, I am going to use this mold release spray on it. It helps maintain the life of the mold, as well as making sure that the resin just comes right off of it after it dries. And since this is a shell, I want to use the mica powders because they come out very shimmery pearlescent, and I think that's going to be perfect for this. And I picked some of my favorites. I've got the Borealis Pink, Viola, and of course the Snowflake White. So we're just going to kind of do a mix of all these colors, and then at the end we're going to add a special decoration to this. So I hope you guys enjoy this project. So I already have my resin mixed here. I do use the Bee Spawn resin. I get it off of Amazon. They usually have a nice discount on it, so it is a little bit cheaper, but it's still like really good resin. I'll put the link in the description below if you're interested in that. Alright, and then I just have these little cups. I'm going to add resin to the cups and then drop the powder in there and stir it right up. And I'll fast forward the process for you so you don't have to sit here and wait for me to get done. So this is a lid, and this is the base. So what I'd like to do is have the white more in the center here, and then have the pink and the purple on the sides. So I'm going to start with the white and just pour some in the center. I don't want to fill it up all the way because I want purple and pink on the outside here. Alright, and then I'm going to grab the heat gun to get these bubbles out of here. Alright, I actually like the idea of that running down the side there. I'm going to add a little more white to this one. I hope you're enjoying these resin projects. I'm hoping it gives you some ideas for what you can create. Okay, so I'm going to pour both of these at the same time into here. Thinking it's going to kind of make sure the white stays in the center. Don't pour it too much. There we go. I kind of want them to mix a little bit. I think it's going to be really cool looking. Drip, 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 drip. Then add some more white here. Maybe add some on the side here. Alright. Try it a little different here, kind of put it in between the white. Oh, that's gonna be cool. And I didn't let any of these really sit and solidify at all, because I do actually want them to mix. I think it's going to be really cool having all three colors where you can really see them. They're all just kind of layering on top of each other. But my surface is not even, so it's kind of slanting. Mix that a little bit there. And do some little swirls here. That took about 300 milliliters of resin. And I think we're ready to let it sit and do its thing. So we're just going to blast it with a heat gun one more time. And now we're just going to set this aside on a level surface, let it do its thing, come back tomorrow when it's all dry, and then I'll show you what I'm going to add to it for that little extra something that I think is just going to be awesome for this project. Alright, we're back and they have dried, and I love them already and they're not even out of the mold. So let's go ahead and get them out of the mold here. And you can use like a soapy water to help get these out of the mold. I just don't want to have to clean them up after. That's why I don't use it. I guess I'm lazy. I actually really like how that's spotted. See all those little spots there? That's kind of cool. Alright. Now for the top, because that's the bottom piece. See? Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And they just fit on top of each other. And now for that something special that I told you guys about. So I found these at the bins. If you've seen any of my prior videos, you know that I love the bins because you buy stuff by weight and there's all sorts of stuff in there. I do recommend you wear gloves though if you're going to the bins, just saying. So I found these. It says they're real freshwater pearls, but I don't think they're actually real pearls. But I thought that they would be a great little addition to this project. So we can just add some right there. So whenever you open up your little trinket box, you'll see the little pearls. So I'm just going to take the bracelet apart and use some of the pearls in there so you can find a little treasure whenever you open up your little trinket box. So we're just going to use the scissors here. Cut one end. Oop. Man down, man down. Okay, found it, got it. Just use a little handful of these, save the rest for another time. So what I'm gonna do is get these at the bottom here where I want them. You know, I do want a couple little outliers there. So, and then I made up some more resin here. And then I'm just gonna drizzle the resin inside on top of the little pearls. And I am covering them up, because I do want like a smooth surface for the people who are gonna be putting something in this little trinket box. I use my heat gun here. Alright, I'm going to use my little tool here, and I'm going to turn the pearls where I don't see the holes. Oh, I still see bubbles. Yeah, you can see the little holes where the thread went through. So I'm just going to turn these where you can't see it. Easier said than done. Almost there. Come on, work with me. Work with me. Sometimes you just gotta tell it what to do. Go in your home. It's like I move one and the others move. Okay. And a couple more bubbles. And I do have a little bit of puddling of the resin, so I'm going to take this old brush that I have, and I'm just going to use it to spread the resin evenly on the bottom, and that'll give it a really nice shine as well. And that'll spread it evenly so it's not just pulled up there. Just kind of gives it a nicer finish. It's like painting your nails. Make it shine. I just love the way this turned out. This is too cool. Alright. Now that we have our little something something added, we'll set that aside and let it dry. And I think it's going to be just a beautiful little treasure. And if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I'll be putting more resin videos out, and the occasional wreath video as well. So we're just going to let this dry and we'll see how it turned out. Here's the finished product. Came out beautiful with all those colors. Then once you open it, you got your little surprise there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.